So 18th of June 2019, I still remember that day because that was the day when I received my first payment. It was around $300 for 3 months of working. Now that was the day which I realized the real meaning of passive income generation, and that was the day when I first understood the real meaning of having a free time. And from that day till now, I have been working on various ways to generate passive income. So welcome back to another brand new video of Aman Sharma. Today in this video I would be explaining you what is the real meaning of passive income generation. According to me, I would explain you so that you can get better understanding of what passive income generation is and how you can generate a passive income, a side income for you. And apart from that, I would tell you how I generated my first income. Before moving further to the video, I would just like to say there are various parts of the video so that you are very much free to skip to any parts of the video. I just want to make it much more advantageous for you so that you can get best of it. So passive income, you might have heard this word somewhere around, and I literally want to tell you what's the real meaning. According to me, I would tell you what I really understand from passive income. So passive income is any kind of income, literally any kind of income which you generate with the least effort. Now you might have understood what's the real meaning of passive income. Now you might have question in your mind like why I really need to generate another kind of income apart from my actual income which I am earning or which I am going to earn in my future. So why is the need to generate another source of income which is a passive income? So firstly, let me explain you this point. In this 21st century, you have to accept one point, which is time is the real money. Let's just suppose you are doing your common 9 to 5 job and you are getting paid for only those times which you spent at your workplace, which you spent working for the company. Now let's just suppose another situation, you just take some holiday, you just spend some time with your family, but why aren't you getting paid for that time also? Why your company is not paying you for that time in which you are chilling with your family? Because you aren't really benefiting to the company. That's why the company is not benefiting to you in the form of money. So now what you have to understand of this whole situation is that for fulfilling your basic needs you have to work that much amount of time, and for that time which you are not working for the company, you won't be getting paid for your basic needs. That is where the importance of passive income generation comes. Even if you are not working, even if you are chilling with your family, even if you are having a great time with your family, still that passive income would generate you some kind of money which can fulfill your basic needs. So that is why the whole importance of passive income came in the 21st century. Now let me go further to the video and tell you how to start this whole process, how to start generating passive income for you, because in a college you are getting an ample amount of free time. And I do really know because I am also a college student and I have experienced it from the very first year of the college. So that's why let me start by explaining you how to start this process of passive income generation. There are basically three ways through which you can earn money in this world. What are those three ways? Firstly, let me explain you what are those three ways. The first way through which you can earn money is the service which you give. Now you might be realizing that this is the point, this is the way which whole world uses to earn money. Now moving on to the second way through which you can earn money is by selling any kind of product. Now this thing works great for those companies like FMCG companies, or also like literally any kind of companies which are selling their product. So this way works great for them. Moving on to the third way, which is like the world's most influential people, it's the people's attention. In the 21st century, people's attention is the new money. Now why I am saying that is like the amount of time you spent on Facebook generates the income for the Facebook, the company. Before moving to that part of the video, firstly let me tell you how I was able to generate my first income, and after that you would also get a clear point of view of how you could also generate that much amount of income. So moving on to the fast forwarding to my story, I was the one who generated the money through the first way, by providing my service. What my service was in that situation was, I had an interest in coding also and website building also. So that service I provided to someone and he was the one who paid me for that thing. So for 3 months I used to manage his website, and which for this whole thing I used to work only 1 to 2 hours after my college time. So that is how you generate your passive income. That is how I generated my first income. Moving on to the various ways how you could generate and what are the things you might require for generating this passive income. The one thing which you would require for passive income generation, better I should say, there are two things which you would require. Firstly, a skill to sell. What does it mean, a skill to sell? So skill can be any kind of skills, like if you have any kind of skills in marketing, if you have any kind of skills in, like I had in my situation I had the skill of coding and website building, so that was the skill I used to sell to other people. Now talking about you, search for you, what skills do you have? In just in case if you don't have any, internet is in your hand, you can literally learn thousands of skills, whatever upon your style, based upon your interest. Whatever interest do you have, even if you are from medical also, you could have an interest in coding also. And the second thing which you really need for generating any kind, like that is the thing which you really need in every situation of your life, is dedication to that thing. Now dedication is the thing which you need everywhere in your life. In upcoming 2 or 3 years you could really scale up in this, and you can literally build various sources of passive income apart from your actual income which you are gonna earn in the future. So with that, let me just end this video, and if you like this video, please do comment down below, and also please do subscribe to our channel, because this kinds of video I would try to make as much as I can. And keep waiting for the next video. Till then, goodbye and see you in the next video. Bye bye.